Okay, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a wig install. As you can see, I have this beautiful deep wave hair on my head. When I say these are the best curls I've had, like these curls, girl, don't play with Cranberry Hair. So this hair is from Cranberry Hair. This is a deep wave 16-inch bob. As you can see, like the length is very cute. It's giving cute. Like it's such a nice length. I really like when curls are this length because when they're longer, they're obviously like more maintenance. So this is the deep wave lace front bob wig. This is a Malaysian deep wave. It's 100% virgin hair. It's 16 inches and the cap does come adjustable. I did show you the content of the wig like when I start installing it, although that part will literally just have like music over it and you guys will watch me do what I'm doing. This, guys, okay, short in the frontal, HD frontal, HD front. Like genuinely, this frontal came pre-plucked. All I did was put foundation on the lace and on the bowl cap like I usually do when I'm installing any wig, but this lace was very easy to like use. As you can see, like doing my edges and everything, my wig is laid. Like it's, girl, this wig is laid and it's very soft. Like I'm obsessing over this hair like for a reason. It's amazing. Like just touching it, even when I showed Shama, she was like, wow, do you like, wow. But yeah, this is the wig I'll be installing today. You guys will see the process. There'll be music over it and I'll have like a few voiceovers over it. But I want to say thank you to Cranberry Hair for sponsoring today's video and for sending me this amazing hair. Do check them out. I'll put all their details in the description box below. You'll be able to check out their website, more details on the hair, and I'll put a direct link to this exact wig and then just to like their general website. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Let's get straight into it.
Wow, that's really retro. Wow, that's really retro. Wow, that's really retro.